Hi, myVEGAS fans. Well, today is your lucky day because we're gonna talk about chips. Lots and lots of chips. So maybe you already noticed, or maybe you didn't, but we've been giving away a lot more of them lately. The daily free chip gifts are now bigger. Your daily streak bonus starts sooner, and you even get more chips based on your VIP level, which makes me love those cute little VIP gems even more. You're looking at a sapphire, by the way, which means I just got into the high roller room, and it's so fancy. But anyway, what I was about to say was that we're gonna have a lot more high rollers around here, and with everyone racking up those extra chips, we've added some bigger bet levels. Now, for those of you who like to load up on even more chips, which I've been known to do from time to time, we've made the chip bundles much bigger and we've updated the purchase bonus wheel. Now, after every 5 purchases from either the main store or a special offer, you get a free spin on the chip boost wheel. You don't have to make an additional purchase, and you could get up to a 20x multiplier. I'll take that deal all day. We hope you're enjoying all the changes, and remember, if you ever need a little assistance while you're in the game, just tap on that profile icon up at the top right. That's where you can get some help whenever you need it. Okay, have a super lucky day, everyone. Have fun spinning.